Hey everyone! Welcome back to Finance Titans. If you're enjoying the content and don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post something new. We've got a lot of exciting content lined up and we can't wait to share it with you. Please remember, the content provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So stay tuned and let's dive into today's video. Allegheny Technologies Incorporated, originally known as Allegheny Ludlum Steel, was founded in the 1930s. The early years were marked by the production of stainless steel and other specialty metals. Allegheny Ludlum gained recognition for innovation in metals, manufacturing, supplying materials for various industries, including automotive and aerospace. Throughout the mid-20th century, Allegheny Ludlum expanded its product range to include a variety of specialty metals and alloys. The company's growth was characterized by technological advancements in metal processing and strategic acquisitions, allowing it to broaden its market reach and diversify its product offerings. In 1996, Allegheny Ludlum merged with Teledyne Incorporated's metals business, forming Allegheny Technologies Incorporated. This merger was a strategic move that combined the strengths of both entities, creating a diversified producer of specialty materials. Post-merger, ATI continued to grow, focusing on innovation and expanding its global presence. In recent years, ATI has adapted to changing market conditions, focusing on high-value products and markets. The company has made significant investments in advanced manufacturing technologies and has streamlined its operations to enhance efficiency and profitability. Leading producer of specialty metals, ATI is recognized as a leading producer of specialty metals and materials, including high-performance alloys, titanium alloys, and stainless steel. The company's products are critical components in demanding applications across various industries, such as aerospace, defense, oil and gas, and medical. Innovation and technological leadership. ATI's business model is centered on technological leadership and innovation in metal production. The company invests heavily in research and development to create advanced materials solutions that meet the specific needs of its customers. Growth strategy and expansion focus on high-performance materials and markets. ATI's growth strategy includes a focus on high-performance materials that offer higher margins and are in demand in growth industries. This includes developing new alloys and processing techniques to meet the evolving needs of key industries like aerospace and defense. Global expansion and operational efficiency. ATI has expanded its operations globally, establishing a presence in key markets to better serve its international customer base. The company's strategy also involves continuous improvement in operational efficiency to maintain competitiveness in the global specialty materials market. Financial resilience and adaptation. ATI has demonstrated financial resilience, adapting its business strategy in response to market fluctuations and industry trends. The company's financial performance reflects its ability to navigate economic cycles and maintain a strong position in the specialty materials market. Stock market performance and investor relations. ATI's stock performance is an indicator of investor confidence and market perception of its business strategy and growth potential. The company's focus on high-value markets and commitment to innovation and operational efficiency are key factors influencing its financial health and investor appeal. Adapting to industry trends and customer needs. ATI's future success will depend on its ability to adapt to industry trends, particularly in key sectors like aerospace and defense. The company's ability to innovate and develop new materials solutions in response to customer needs will be crucial for its continued growth. Navigating global market dynamics. The specialty materials industry is subject to global market dynamics, including economic fluctuations, trade policies, and competition. ATI's ability to navigate these challenges while continuing to focus on high-performance materials and markets will be key to its future success. Sustaining leadership in specialty materials. Allegheny Technologies Incorporated's journey from a steel manufacturer to a leader in specialty materials is a testament to its commitment to innovation, strategic growth, and market adaptation. As the company looks ahead, its focus on developing advanced materials solutions investing in technology and expanding its global presence positions it well to continue its legacy as a leader in the specialty materials industry. ATI's dedication to meeting the evolving needs of its customers and staying at the forefront of industry trends will likely continue to drive its success and influence in the market. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Titans and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We love making these videos for you, and your support means the world to us. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or what you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay awesome and see you in the next video.